Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Purnama and I am a student of the Mathematics Education Study Program at Singapura Bangsa University of Karawang, Unsika. My student identification number MPF is the 22106310500012 and I'm currently taking the course Learning Mathematics in English, which is part of class 6D. This course is by Mr. Eka Aldila Alfiansa, SSC, MSc. On this session, I would like to introduce the topic of fraction and share this content with all of you. I hope we can share our understanding and learning together so this material can be better understood. Thank you for attention and let's start this learning with essay. This is my identity. Okay, definition of fraction. A common or simple fraction is a fraction of the from a over b, where a is an integer and b is a continuous number. Okay, example p over q. Nah, untuk p is can the denominator of the fraction, q is can the denominator of the fraction. If the numerator then less the denominator, then p over q is proper fraction. If the numerator is more the denominator, then p over q is an improper fraction. Next, saying fraction. Nah, untuk di sini itu pembacaan dari pecahan itu sendiri. Yang pertama itu ada 1/2. Nah, 1/2 ini dibaca dalam bahasa Inggris yaitu 1/2. 1/3 dibaca 1/3, 1/4 itu dibaca 1/4, 5/6 itu dibaca 5/6 atau 5/6. Terus 22 plus x per 7 itu dibaca 3 into plus x all over 7. Terus 13 3/4 itu dibaca 13 and 3/4. The next type of fraction. Fraction are divided into 4 types, namely ordinal fraction, mixed fraction, decimal fraction, and equivalent fraction. 1. Ordinal fraction. Ordinally, fractions are divided into 2 types, namely true fraction and not true fraction. A true fraction is a fraction number whose numerator is smaller than the denominator, while an improper fraction is the opposite small and fraction. A over b is called if a is less, the b is candidate and true fraction. If a more, the b is can and improper fraction. Number 2, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction can be obtained from natural common fraction. The numerator prohibit definition mixed fraction consists of a number the common fraction. Number 3, decimal fraction. Decimal fraction are fractions where denominator is a multiply of 10, 30, 10, 100, 1000, For number 4, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction are two or more fractions they have the same ratio that's the numerator and denominator. Example of fraction determine the ratio of the following numbers of fraction. 1/3 plus 1/6 plus 5/12. Please you need to read the capital of 3, 6, and 12. The capital of the p numbers is 12. The equals because as follows: 1/3 plus 2/6 plus 5/12 equal to 4 plus 4 plus 5/12 equal to 13/12. So the result 18/12. Okay, how to calculate a fraction with wholes? Let's image displays an illustration of an clock which numbers fraction house. The title above is fraction house. Indicating this clock is answers to pieces the context of fraction in term mixation. Rank image show an example of fraction team calculation. 3/20 plus 1/4 equal to 2/5. Nah, untuk cara membuktikan bahwasannya ini itu menggunakan jam pecahan itu, yaitu 3/2 itu ada 3 step. Cara membuktikannya itu kita hitung dari sini 1/0, kita hitung dari sini 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Nah di sini berada di 3 step. Nah untuk yang 1/4-nya kita hitung dari sini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nah ada di 1/5. Nah untuk menjumlahkan semuanya yaitu ada 3 tambah 5 berarti ada 8 step. Nah jadi yaitu 3/20 plus 1/4 equal to 2/5. Nah untuk membuktikan bahwasanya jawabannya 2/5, kita hitung ada 8 step, yaitu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nah, benar berada di 2/5 atau 2/5. The calculator step and illustration which are so the fraction conference process 3 step, 5 step equals to 8 step. Total calculation conference. The P is the manage or how to fit and common denominator to that fraction in team. Conclusion of the fraction are a group. Fraction are I group of number with the form I over B, both I and B are integers. B is not equal to 0. Fraction can be divided into 4 equal, namely ordinal fraction, mixed fraction, decimal fraction, and equivalent fraction. Fraction is simple, can be done by dividing its Let's number the difference, the denominator and decimator at offense. Thank you for attention. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.